Hello everyone. So today we will create a desert on AutoDraw. So for it first, basically we will open our AutoDraw page. So this is our AutoDraw page. What we have to do, we have to fill the bucket and take the light orange color for the desert sky. So let's see. Okay, so we will take this color over here. So this is our first step. Now let's see our another step. So what is our another step over here? We have to draw the mountains. Use the auto draw tool to draw mountain shape and choose your favorite mountain from the design shown and adjust its size with the white square handles. Okay, so now we will take auto draw. Here we will take black color. So here I have taken. Now let's draw mountain like this. You can see our auto draw have been guessed it. So we will take this one. We will make one more mountain and we have chosen it again. Now select it, drag it, and now you have to increase or decrease its size as per you want over here. Like I am doing increasing its size and placing it. Same for the second one. Just increase its size and place it as per your page. Something like this you have to do. Okay. So you can see it has been done over here. Now let's see the another step. So what is our another step over here? Add more mountains as we have done this. Now color the mountains. Find the mountains with the brown color using the bucket tool. So we will fill the bucket and here we will take the brown color for our mountain. So here is the brown color. Now fill it. You can see the mountain has been done. Now let's see the another step over here. So the another step will be draw a sun. Draw a simple sun with the lines on the auto draw. Select the sun design and fill with the dark orange. Change the border to the color black. Okay, now let's draw our sun. So first we will take black color for drawing. So here I have drawn a circle. Now we will draw the lines for our sun and our auto draw will guess it soon. Like this we are drawing. Okay, so let's draw it more. We have to draw until our auto draw will guess. Okay, so you can see the results have came. So I will take this one. Now we have to color our sun with orange color. So here I am filling it with orange color. Now select it, decrease its size, drag and you have to just place it wherever you want. I am placing it here. Now let's see the another step. So our another step is add desert animals. Draw a camel, scorpion, and eagle with auto draw. Pick the best design for each and color them appropriately. RA, adjust their size and place them in the scene. Okay, now let's draw it. First, we will take the black color, go on auto draw, and now we will draw a camel. Draw similar like camel, like this. It have been detected. Now color it. So for the camel, here we will take ski color, fill the bucket, and you can see it has been done. Select, drag it and place it. Okay, so this both color are matching more. So we will change the little color. We will take light. Okay, so you can see it has been done. Now again we will go on auto draw and we will make one more camel over here. So let's make it again the same process, making the camel, and now we will take the another one. We will take this one over here. Now we will apply the same color, ski color. You can see it has been done. Now select, drag, and if you want to rotate, you can rotate this like it, and even you can change it. Okay, so we have taken this. Now drag it and place it. Let's make the scorpion now. So we will take the scorpion over here. Results of scorpion. We will take this one first. Color it black. Okay. Fill the bucket and color it black. Now drag it and place it. One more scorpion we will draw over here. So, like this. Got our results, and now we will take this one. Fill the bucket and now fill the color. Select it, drag it and place it. You can see our scorpion has been done over here. Now let's draw the bird. Draw it wings like this. Even if you are not at drawing, if you won't draw good, but you can try in auto draw because it will help you how to draw, and even it will guess your image as we got our eagle over here. Now color it black again, fill the bucket and color it black. Now take a circle for an eye and color here white. Have a little dot. First we will drag it and we will place it, decrease its size. Now we will take the circle over here and have a little dot for the eye. So you can see our desert on auto draw. And now let's see about another step. We have added the desert animals over here. Now use the circle tool for the details like eagle's eye. Yes, we have done this. Now finalize your desert scene. Adjust animal, change background if needed. Please place everything look best in your scene and save your artwork. Okay, so from here you can download, share your image. Okay, so this was a desert on AutoDraw. Thank you.